So, are forex brokers out to get you? Is your forex broker out to get your money? I think that's a question that was asked on a previous video, and in today's video I'll just give my opinion on that. Feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below. I would certainly want to hear your views on this as well. Do you think brokers are out to get traders? Do you think brokers are out to get traders? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you are looking to download free forex robots, free indicators, free books, everything free. We do everything on this channel for free. If you want courses, books, indicators, robots, see the links in the description box below. So, is your broker out to get you? Is your broker out for your money? Are they after your money? That's the question of today. What do you think? Again, leave your comments in the comment section below. Now, my opinion is that most of the time, or most of the brokers, they don't care about who you are. They don't even know you. Sometimes, let me say most of the time. Of course, you do get instances where you probably signed up with some shady broker somewhere. There used to be a lot of them back in the day. They would basically trade against you, but I think the practice has mainly started to die down, or has died down significantly. It's my opinion. Feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below. So yes, back in the day you could sign up with a broker like that. They would take the opposite side of your trades, so definitely they would be interested in you losing your money so that they can make their money, because forex, as we know it, is a zero-sum game. It means for you to make money, somebody somewhere must be losing money. That's how the system works. Money is not invented from thin air. They don't invent money from thin air. Money has to move from somewhere into your pocket, or out of your pocket into somebody else's pocket. That's how the game works. But does that mean that brokers are out to get you? They need your money? No. For the most time, no. I don't believe brokers are out to get us as traders, as retail traders. Why do I say something like that? Most of the time, many of these brokers, what they are just there for is to provide what is called volatility or liquidity. They're just a conduit where you, sitting at your chart, you are able to access the market, and they generate their money from the commissions that they charge you, or the spread that they charge you, and also the business that they generate, the guys that are actually playing in the market. That's most of the time. Again, I'm just saying most of the time, so that you don't come to me and you say you lied or something like that. It's just my opinion. Now, there's also the element of expenses. Guys, it's expensive for these brokers to find new clients. You will see these brokers doing everything to try and get new clients. So for me, it doesn't make sense for them to be spending a whole lot of money on marketing trying to get new clients. Once they get them in, then they give them a bad experience and lose those clients, and have to start from scratch again, investing in marketing, doing all the tricks to try and win new clients. And by the way, if you mess your reputation, it's going to be even harder and more expensive to win new people for your business. So for me, I don't necessarily think that the brokers want you to join them. Then after joining them, they steal your money, knowing full well that after they steal your money, then you are no longer trading. Then you leave the broker, and you probably are going to tell your friends not to come and join them. Then they have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to market and win new clients. For me, it doesn't make sense. So again, it's just my opinion. Feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below. I would be interested to hear what you think about this. Are brokers out to get us as traders? Are brokers out to get your money? Like I said, I believe there was a class of brokers back in the day. It was Wild West. It was the Wild West. People used to open these schemes and take people's monies, and then they would disappear. There were those brokers like that. They would, if you buy, they would sell on their end. If you sell, they would buy on their end. So they relied on you losing for them to make money. But for most of the brokers that are like above board and they are doing things according to the book, for me, I don't think they are really out to get your money. I don't think they are out to get you. How they make their money basically is by generating the liquidity, the volume for the other guys that are the players that they are affiliated with, who are in the market. Then they get paid for that. Then they also charge you for commissions, for fees, in spread. If a broker doesn't charge you commission, they are probably charging you commission. Some brokers, they will charge you both. So that's how basically they make their money. So I don't think they want you to have a bad experience and stop trading. If you stop trading, then they are not making money. If you stop trading, then they are not making money. If you leave the brokerage, then they need to spend money trying to find somebody to fill your space. So I think for them, it's good business to want to keep you where you are and make life easier for you. Of course, it's not always easier, but it's trading. But I'm sure they will try to keep you where you are, so that you keep they keep your business. You keep trading with them, and they can keep making money, not giving their users bad experiences so that they go somewhere else and now they have to start from scratch. Again, it's still my opinion. If you disagree or agree, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I would be interested in hearing what you think about this. Guys, subscribe. See the links in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.